All right, so let's talk about how do we find the complement and the supplement of a given angle. Now, first, in order to answer that, we need to understand what is a complement, what is a supplement. Now, a complement is two angles that add together to get 90 degrees, right? So if we have a right angle here, typically signified by a little box here in the corner where it says that it's 90 degrees. All right, so if we're talking about two angles that are complements of each other, we're talking about two angles that add up to 90 degrees. So this angle here plus this angle here would be 90 degrees. All right, now that's for our complement. Now for supplement, you're talking about a supplementary angle. You're talking about two angles that would make up a supplementary angle, right? Or two angles that add up to 180 degrees. Okay, now the angle that we were given is 152 degrees. So we're going to find the complement, we're going to find the supplement. Now, in order to find the complement, so we're thinking this angle plus what would be 90. Now, the only way to make that possible is if we actually subtract from this, right? 152 is way bigger than 90. There's no way to take this into something that's going to fit within this 90 degrees here. So actually, with this one here, there is no complement for this one here, just because that angle is bigger than a 90-degree angle, so it would not apply. But we could answer the supplementary part because we're looking at 152 plus what would give us 180. So that's essentially what we're looking at here. 100, oh, I'm sorry, I wrote 150. 152 plus what is going to equal 180 degrees, right? So we can think of it, we can make a little equation here, or just take 180, right? Subtract it by 152. And when you do so, you're going to get 28 degrees. So 28 is the supplementary angle, right? Is the supplement, since 152 plus 28 would fill up this 180 degree angle here. Now, just to give a quick other example here, let's say I had the example that was 70 degrees. Find the supplement, the complement and the supplement of this. Now, the complement, so I'm just going to say C complement, S supplement. So the complement to this would be 20 degrees here, right? Because 70 plus 20 would make up a 90-degree angle. The supplement, though, you're just going to take 180, and if you subtract 70 from it, that's going to be 110. Right? So 70 would have a complement and would also have a supplement. But for ours, 152, right? No complement, and our supplement is 28 degrees.